Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately. In this video, we will talk about a problem that many watch users face or may encounter. Our devices may sometimes lock, may not turn on, may not charge. In this case, the solution may be very simple. The brand of our watch can be Apple Watch, Haylou, Mi Band, Mi, Honor, Huawei, Amazfit or other brands and replica products. This is a valid repair for all. We are trying to charge our watch from the USB output of our computer as usual, and the result is unsuccessful on the first try, as you can see.
You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. We try to open our watch again, but we couldn't. We try other methods. Now we will try our other method, repair phase.
You can complete your repair process by following the steps I have done and doing the same.
We tried to charge it from the computer's USB port, then we tried it with the 1000 mAh adapter and it still didn't work. It worked when we tried it with quick charge. We take out our battery and check it, and there is no heating or swelling in our battery. I think the problem is elsewhere. Now we will try again with 1500 amp phone adapter. We try to open our watch again, but we couldn't. We try other methods.
You can complete your repair process by following the steps I have done and doing the same. I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends. Instead of charging from the computer USB output, we will use a high-amp phone adapter to shock our battery. It is not a very recommended thing, but I would like to try it instead of throwing my watch in the trash. Instead of charging from the computer USB output, we will use a high-amp phone adapter to shock our battery. It is not a very recommended thing, but I would like to try it instead of throwing my watch in the trash.
We squeeze directly into the charging socket, plug and unplug the charging cable several times and clean the oxidation in the socket. Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. I took this video as the second step for our viewers who could not get results from this method. Our friends who did not get results again, write in the comments, I can help. Our user said that water may have gotten into the device, so I also spray the contact cleaner lubricant on the board. And I'm trying to keep it charged for a while. These malfunctions can usually be caused by oxidation that may occur in our charging socket and charging cable. As you can see this malfunction, we will use a contact cleaner lubricant of the WD-40 or equivalent 404 brand that I use. Friends, before seeing our third stage repair topic, I will tell you a brief summary of the first two stages we did. Friends who do not watch, please watch and apply those videos. After our device waits for a while on charge, we try again. And you should see the result. After our device waits for a while on charge, we try again. And you should see the result. Yes friends, the good news is, as you can see, the process we applied was successful and our device turned on.
Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for support purposes.
If this video doesn't help you fix your watch, watch our Step 2 and Step 3 videos. I look forward to your questions in the comments.